Assalamualaikum. I am Shahinur. My ID is 181352487. My presentation topic on home care online worker appointment system. My supervisor on Mrs. Fatima bint Rafiq. Mrs. Fatima bint Rafiq. Then, why we care worker appointment service? To make a common platform to get service as well as worker at the same time. Make a trustworthy platform where people can get working ensuring their security. Home care online worker appointment system overview. On this system, user can easily to get worker by choosing service and location. They will able to choose their desired service. All the users are able to view worker list and also the details of the worker such as working experience, work description, details and so on. User can appoint worker, they confirm their booking and also can give review on worker basis on their performance. User registration is not necessary for everyone, but only registered user can get some specific service such as appointed worker, review worker. When a user login into the system with valid ID and password will be able to appoint worker for any service. A home care online worker appointment system is a purpose to appoint worker and get service through online from a common platform. People will use the system to appoint worker and get different service. User will able to view various type of worker information basis and on different service what the service provide. User can give review on worker performance. They are different from existing system. We provide worker details. Each worker will get a rating on the basis of work. Many worker list for a service. There are two types of stakeholder. Number one, admin, then users. Technology. Here I use technology front end. I use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JS. Then backend I use Django REST API. Then database I use MySQL. Here it is a use case diagram for user. User can registration, login, search service. User can view service list, can view worker list, can appoint worker, can cancel appointment, can review, can edit profile. Here is the use case diagram for admin. Admin can login, can add service, can review service, can add worker, can review worker, can view worker review, can cancel appointment, can view user information, can send message. Activity diagram for my project for individual case. Here is my activity diagram for login. First of all, here start point. First of all, user insert name and password. If they check authentication no, then error message, then user can again username and password, then check authentication yes, then login successfully. Activity diagram for registration. Start point. First of all, provide user information, then valid, check the valid information no, then return the provide user information, then check valid information no, yes, then registration successfully. Activity diagram for search service. First of all, select service, then click search service. If the record field are selected no, then return the select. Then user can again select service. Then click search service. Then record are field yes. Then view service details. Activity diagram for view service list. First of all, user select menu, then select service, then view service list. Activity diagram for view worker list. First of all, select menu, then select service, then view worker list. Here activity diagram for appointment worker. First select service, then view worker list, then click on the appointment worker, then login. Check registered no, then register again registration, then login. Check yes, then fill up appointment form. If the yes is validation information, then from submission, then visualize information, confirm message. Here is a cancel appointment. And select profile service order details before time limit. No, then error message. Then before time limit is yes. Cancel appointment. Review worker. Select service B worker list, then select worker, then review worker. Activity diagram form, edit profile, login, then select profile, then edit profile, then save. Activity diagram for admin login, user name and password, then check authentication no, then error message, check authentication yes, then login successfully. Add service. First of login, then select dashboard, then select service, then add service, then fill up form. Check record field are fill up no, then user again fill up the form, then record field are fill up yes, then yes, submit, successfully submit. Activity diagram for remove service, login, then select dashboard, then select service, then remove worker. Check the are you sure you cancel the cancel, then yes, then remove worker, then no, that's cancel no, then cancel, remove worker. No, yes, then successfully remove service. Remove worker. Select menu, select worker, remove worker. Are you sure? Yes. Cancel, remove worker, then no, then successfully remove worker. View worker, review. First login, then select dashboard, then select worker, then view worker, review. Cancel appointment. First login, then select dashboard, then cancel appointment. Check appointment created no, then cancel appointment. Then yes, then cancel. Cancel, don't cancel appointment, then yes, created, then cancel appointment. View user information. First select login, select dashboard, select user, then view user information. Send message. First of all login, then select dashboard, then cancel appointment, then check appointment created no, then cancel appointment, then cancel appointment created yes, then send message. Sequence diagram of my project for individual activities. Here is a sequence diagram for login. User, first user, click on login, the login panel, then valid user, then valid, then check user information database, username and password, then user name and password read database can return you valid user match information, then result, return result successfully message. Sequence diagram for registration. User, first user input, then verify input, then return database, return verification result, then error message. Search service. First of all click on search bar, then search, then take input service, then record input filter, check input, then database return valid input match item, see result, view service details. View service. Click on menu bar, then click service, then result, then view service. View worker list. User click on search bar, then take input, record field, then check input, then view valid input match item, then return result, view worker list. Appoint worker. User click on appointment, then login panel, then valid user, then check user validity, get into information, store information, database can return valid input match item, then success message. Diagram for worker review. User click on menu bar, then click on service details, then put review, database can return validation check, then view successfully message. Here is my appointment work entity diagram. First user. Here is a user table. user table many data here, user id, name, email id, mobile, username and password. User and worker, here is a user table, review table, service table and worker table, appoint and worker, appoint worker. Here is a every table has many data. Then user and worker one to many relationship and can. Then user and review one to many relationship, then diamond shape or is one to many relationship. Here is a relation, the relation can review. Then review and worker one to many relationship, the relationship name has. Then worker and service one to many relationship, service and worker one to many relationship, there the relationship name has. Then appoint worker and service one to one relationship and the relationship name is can be appointment. Yeah, here is a UI design in a home page. Here using home page, user can service find the service. Then service page design, here the we many type of service name. First suppose cleaning and dusting service, then personal beauty and care service, then AC repair service. Here we can show the service details page. Here is the service detail page and select service item. Here is the view all worker list. Here is a many worker list. Suppose Elena worker, then Tulip worker, Daisy worker and Amira worker. Here is the view worker details page. Here is the worker details page, worker ID, name, age, gender, profession and experience. Then appoint worker button and review worker button. Login page. Here is a login page filter username and password. Here is a registration page, will name, email and user password, then submit. Then appoint worker page field, appoint worker field, enter worker ID, then phone number and address, then submit. Then appoint successfully submit page, details has been successfully, thank you. Then thank you my presentation.